got a call from a lady. Her name is LaDonna. She's in North Richland Hills, Texas, and she lost her ring in her garden as she was gardening. And it looks like it's a gold engagement ring with a diamond on it, solitaire diamond on it. So I'm headed that way and see if I can find it, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, this is Henry with the Ring Finders, and I'm here with LaDonna in North Richland Hills, Texas, and she lost her wedding engagement ring. So LaDonna, can you please show us and tell me what happened, how you lost it?
Yes, I was trimming these bushes and pulled everything out over here. And once I was through, I started bagging it up right here, and then I'd take a bag and carry it over here to the sidewalk.
Okay.
Then as I was finishing the last bag, I realized my ring was gone.
And you didn't feel it come off or nothing? Right?
No. Normally my fingers are swollen, but for some reason or another, they weren't.
Okay. So I'll get my equipment and I'll get started. I'll start right here.
All right, thank you.
We'll be back. I don't get anything here, LaDonna. Not here. Do you think maybe? Oh yeah, I find it.
Where'd you find it?
Right there. I'm glad I could find it. That's a beautiful ring. Glad I could find it.
When we got married, he couldn't afford it us, so we just had to have one made. Then later on, he found it and got it.
Well, I'm glad I could. I'm so glad for you.
I will recommend you.
Well, we found the ring. So Henry with the Ring Finders here, and I was able to find that ring, and that lady sure was happy. She lost in all those leaves that she was cleaning out her garden with, and she sure was happy. So I'm glad I found it. I'm glad she got her ring back. She's very happy, and thanks for watching. And if you like our channel, subscribe to it. Have a good day.